Next generation Toyota Auris will be built in the UK. Toyota's Burn Aston plant will manufacture Auris, with engines built in North Wales as part of £240 million investment. UK manufacturing has today received a boost as Toyota confirms the new Auris will be produced at its facility in Burn Aston, Derbyshire. Engines will also be assembled in Deeside, North Wales, as part of the Japanese firm's £240 million investment in the plants. The previous Auris was also produced in Burn Aston, but uncertainty over Brexit had cast concerns that production would be moved elsewhere. In total, Toyota employs 3,000 workers across both British plants. Toyota's European CEO Dr. Johan Bonzil said of the decision, "As a company, we are doing what we can to secure the competitiveness of our UK operations as a leading manufacturing centre for our European business. With around 85% of our UK vehicle production exported to European markets, continued free and frictionless trade between the UK and Europe will be vital for future success." The new Auris will make its first public debut at the Geneva Motor Show next week, alongside a racing-inspired concept for the new Toyota Super Sports car. Previewed by a teaser image, the third-generation Auris is said to feature a more dynamic exterior design. Toyota has also confirmed the VW Golf rival will benefit from a new 2.0-liter full hybrid powertrain. The rest is officially under wraps for now, but what we do know is that the Auris will be based on Toyota's new TNGA platform, which is shared with the Prius and CHR crossover. Spy shots, along with the new teaser, show the new Auris adopting a distinctive roofline and a set of wraparound headlights, while a less extreme version of the rising shoulder line features with a more subtle kink in the rear window. The cabin is also expected to receive a dramatic overhaul. Spy shots have revealed a revised climate control setup on the dash, while a wireless smartphone charging dock has also been spotted. Crucial parts such as the infotainment screen have been disguised, but with the new Auris sharing the CHR crossover's platform, we would expect to see a similar infotainment setup from the CHRs in the production Auris. As for engines, it's unclear whether a diesel engine will be offered on the new Auris. The CHR crossover arrived without a diesel when launched in 2016.